Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And this is a spanner design, and this is a very useful and helpful this part. And this 3D body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this spanner design is a help of a 2D drafting, and 2D drafting is also available here. And this is a top view, and this front view, and this is a right view. Okay, all view is drawing here. Okay, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view. All view is easily you can see here. And this is a final product is a spanner design, and all dimension in millimeter, and all is thickness and all is length is available here. Okay, this material is used here nickel, and this is a scale is 1:1, and size is A3. Okay, and this product is a design easily and clearly, and this final product is a spanner, and this fillet is a 0.5 millimeter. And this body is looking perfect, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, and isometric view is also okay. Okay guys, let's start here this body is design. Okay, at first select a part, and some setting is important, you can see here. And document property and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, at first this is a 2D drafting is at first drawing this length is this center to center length is 104 millimeter. Okay, and this is a both side is a ellipse is drawing here, and this ellipse is a major axis is 32 millimeter, and this minor axis is 26 millimeter. Both side is same, and this angle is 180, this angle is 18 degree. Okay, and this length is 6 millimeter, and this length is this thickness is 3.5 millimeter. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, and drawing a construction line, a center line is draw a origin. Okay, and align at this dimension is 104 millimeter is correct. Okay, and use a ellipse, and both side is a drawing here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this also ellipse is drawing here, and this is a this. Okay, and align this distance to this is a 32 millimeter. Okay, and this minor axis is a okay, this is a 26 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect. And again this major axis is a 32, and minor axis is a 26 millimeter is correct. Okay, and select a line is not increase, again draw a center line and connect to this. Okay, this is a increase some line, because this is a very help of this line is create here, and both is a this is a horizontal. Okay, and again connect again, click a center line and connect to this point to this, and again this center point to this is a very very important, and this is a very useful and helpful this okay, this is a connect to this to this. Okay, okay, all construction line drawing here, this is a this construction line is very very useful and helpful. Okay, and this is a 18 degree. Okay, align this angle distance is a 18. Okay, this is a fully defined, and this align a angle is a 18. Okay, this is a fully defined. Okay, okay, this is a perfect and okay, and select a okay, this is a perfect, and this line is a 9 millimeter, and this 9 millimeter, and this line is a 7.5 millimeter, and this radius is a 10 millimeter, and this radius is 11.5 millimeter. Okay, and this use a offset is a this is a 9 millimeter, and both bidirectional is perfect and click this. Okay, this two line is created here. Okay, and this thickness is this length is 9 millimeter, and click this 3-point arc and connect to this point to this, and this arc is this. Okay, okay, and this radius is 11.5. okay, this is a 11.5 is correct. Okay, and use this trim entities, and this delete here, and also this delete here, and this and to this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and next is a same offset, and then use a 7.5 millimeter and bidirectional, and click this. Okay, click OK. Use this 3-point arc and connect to this point to this. This is a arc is created here, and align a dimension. This dimension is a 10 millimeter, because this help of a 2D drafting. Okay, this radius is 10 millimeter, and this radius is 11.5 millimeter, and this distance is a 7.5 millimeter and both side, and this 9 millimeter both side. Okay, and again use a trim, and all extra portion is delete here. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, and again select a offset. Offset is a this is a okay, and this is a offset is this 6.8 millimeter is both side, and this cutout is 3.5 millimeter. Okay, and use a select chain and bidirectional is click, and this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and some extra portion is also trim here, because this trim and this trim, and okay, this also trim here, because this is extra. is created here. Okay, and this portion is delete here, and also this and this and this. Okay, okay, all is perfect. And align a dimension, and this dimension is a 6 point, okay, 6.8. 6.8 is perfect. And also this is a 6.8 is perfect. And all is a fully defined, because all is black color means this is a fully defined. Okay, all is perfect. And use a extrude boss, and this and this select here, and use a mid plane, and this thickness is a, okay, this thickness is a 6 millimeter, and this thickness is 3.5 millimeter. This thickness is 6 millimeter. Okay, okay, and again click this and extrude boss this, and use a mid plane, and this thickness is 3.5 millimeter is correct. Okay, okay, and some use a fillet. Okay, all is perfect. And this fillet is 36 millimeter, and this fillet is 31 millimeter. Okay, use a fillet command, and 36 millimeter fillet is upper side, this to this. Okay, okay, and below side is a, lower side is a 31 millimeter, and this to this. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. And some fillet is also, this is a 0.5 millimeter, and use a this to this, and also this to this. Okay, this to this. Click OK. All is perfect. Okay, and some, okay, and use this face sketch, and use a convert entities. Okay, and some use this cutout, and this fillet is a 2 millimeter, and this cutout is this thickness is 1 millimeter. Okay, 1 millimeter is not so here, but 1 millimeter is thickness. Okay, and use offset. Offset is select chain, and bidirectional is click this. Okay, okay, this is a 3.5. okay, this is a perfect. Use a 3.5 is a cutout. This is a 3.5 is cutout. Okay, this is a perfect. And click OK. Identical counters in the same sketch are not allowed. Okay, this is a correct. And use a extrude cut. Extrude cut, this select a counters. Counter is this, and this thickness is 1 millimeter is correct. And click OK. And also this fillet is used here, and this fillet is a select this all corner is select here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a 2 millimeter is perfect. click OK. Okay, and again select this front plane, because this is a mirror, and mirror is this. Use this cutout and press a control button and this, click OK. Both side is mirror is perfect. Okay, all is looking perfect, and apply a material. Material is nickel. Nickel is this, and isometric. Okay, isometric is perfect, and this body is drawing here. Okay. Okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all process is learner easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.